Well, it's that time again. That time to do this thing that I've done before and I don't get a lot of views on, but maybe this will be different. So, it's the unboxing fun time, and today we got Barricade from the new Transformers film. Actually, somebody broke the street date, so this is kind of like a I guess we could call it a quasi-exclusive first look thing. I'll probably do something better with that in editing. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so you can see the box here. He's for the, like I said, the new Transformers film coming out in June. Usually they got a bio here, but they don't really this time. So it's just, you know, all you need to know is he's a police car and a Decepticon. He, spoiler alert, died in the third film, but continuity hasn't really stopped Michael Bay, you know. Why let that start now? As you can see, he's a bit different from the older version of him. The older version has like almost like a robo beard or something, but whatever. We're not here to talk about that. We're here to do this thing. So let's go ahead and do what we came here to do. The delicate operation here of getting the figure out of the plastic. I actually got scissors this time because screw trying to do that by hand. Makes for a fascinating video when you have to watch me. Ooh, okay, now we're still good. Now I'm slightly nervous of using that. I thought I might have actually snapped something. Oh man. No, I'm going to use hands for some of these because, like, you might say, well, why aren't you quite going at this like you did with the K2 or Weird Wolf? This is a Transformers movie figure, and I don't really know exactly how durable this is compared to the other figures. All that, oh shit, that's not supposed to happen. So here's a Barricade here. Feels a little stiff, but kind of pretty articulated. He's got a gun, which looks like it can maybe. Oh yeah, there you go. It's a little sidearm thing, and he's also got a baton because he's like a robo-cop. He's not a cop though, but you get it. Like, that one kind of sort of fits there. Like, it doesn't. It feels a little wonky on that. Oh, he's got some sort of weird, like, I don't know what the hell's going on there. It's like some sort of oh. Okay, some sort of weird wrist gun thing. So yeah, and you probably can't see it, but like little, he's got little brass knuckles on his fists. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So we'll go ahead and I guess use the magic of editing and probably just try to transform. mean, it might not. Okay. Like it says 12 steps, but like you can, they say you can also knock alcohol in 12 steps too, so I mean, like it looks easy on here. Like I don't, like we're filming like black on black on black, and they have this thing is like gray on gray on gray, and so I can't really see what they want me to do with these arms. That looks like, what am I supposed to do here? Like I feel like no, this isn't. It's my first rodeo with these things, but like. Like, it feels like it should be just sort of like a, you know, it's like, hey dummy, you just gotta move it this way, and then boom, you got it. But, I don't, his arms are supposed to go up too, so. To show you twisting his arms earlier. It's like, bring them down, and it, oh, they go down and around. Okay, no, I don't got it. They make you think you're about to get it, and it's like, aha. His arms are supposed to be like up here during this, but how do you do that? It's like it swivels, and then, yes?
Do you need the scissors?
No, I don't need the scissors. Why do I need the scissors?
Just to cut.
To cut? If you're trying to say like that about the video, you can stop the video at any point. Like,
well, we're gonna stop in just a second because we're red lighting.
Oh, well, yeah. Like, stop the video. Like, this isn't going anywhere. All right. So you might notice that he's not in vehicle form, which is shown on the back of the box here, which is probably a little blurry, but. Yeah, I can't turn him into a cop car. These instructions, though they say 12 steps, and they look fairly simple, I can't figure out how to get his arms under him. It's like he doesn't have, it's like how it's a single hinge, but it looks like it should bend one more time to get it. I mean, I'm missing something. I know I am. But so yeah. I don't know, the robot mode's pretty neat. Like I said, he's got that cool baton and cool see here, you can put the little baton in his, I mean, maybe, like, I mean, I didn't actually like check to see that you could, which I guess I should have done that, because you know, you would have thought that he would have just simply turned into a car, but or I mean, I could just be really stupid and it's like something small that I'm missing. But yeah, so he's got cool brass knuckles and a baton and this neat this neat like weird ultra, I don't even know what you call it. Like, he's got like a gun gauntlet essentially. But yeah, like it's all off there. It's all pretty cool. You know, I would say definitely if you like a neat robot mode figure, like a figure with a neat robot mode, check it out. I can't say much of anything for the vehicle mode, because yeah, Like, I'm sure with time I could probably figure it out. Okay, so a real quick update. I was actually able to get, I was able to transform it. It's very, difficult. The instruction manual didn't help me out. Like, there was actually, like, a part with the arms that kind of swerve, upward that it didn't say. So, yeah. Other than that, I mean, like, it's, you know, pretty neat, except for it's really, hollow. Like, I mean, that is, yeah, you can see right through there. Like, it is a very much a, hollow on the inside, very lightweight, sort of neat, but at the same time, just because of the way everything locked into place, it feels less solid than the robot mode. So yeah, I just thought I'd add that in as a brief update to the video, so we didn't leave it on such a downer of not being able to at least show the vehicle mode. Yeah, I mean, it's an unboxing video. I never said it was like a really great, you know, review thing or anything like that. It's I'm sorry, this is really shitty. So, if you like this, yeah, well, I know you probably like the video, don't you? So, if you like my cat, Karma, like, oh, not that close to the lens. Feel free to like the video, share it for the cat, not for the. Please stop going towards the lens. Why are you going towards the lens? Share it for the cat, not for the robot. So, whoop. Okay, we're good. Yeah, share it, like, subscribe. I guess this is just, yeah, cool. Still don't have an outro for this thing. But I guess, yeah, Merle. Yep. Later? Yeah, we'll go with later. Cut. Oh, yeah, that's great. Cat in the way. Come on. Move. Keep going. Thank you.